We have three okra. This one is still small. That's why do you keep it on your up your dress? Pull your dress down. It's not funny. Do we see any more? This one's still growing. This one is still small. I should have put more okra bushes so it would have more. Oh, they got a bug. Take that off.
Mom, one of those people on the field.
Excuse me. I'm trying to look at this thing to see what to take off. This one's still growing. Let's see if it's soap down there. No, I mean this one is good, but I feel like it's small. So far,
Mommy, I see a
three
flower.
okra.
Mom, I see a flower.
Yeah, these are all cucumbers.
Mom, I see a
So,
flower.
and then the potato plants are growing. Why are you over there?
Come on.
Then we have some lettuce down here that's growing. Not a lot, but I definitely need to come water over here.
Come down here.
Then we have a lot of potato plants, so we're waiting for those to die down. And I have this big plant here. I do not know what this is. I do not know what this is. I really don't know. But it's doing its own thing. Okay. Then we have, this is a cucumber plant, but for some odd reason, it's coming out like a freaking melon. And I don't want to keep it here because I feel like it's going to die. So I feel like I'm going to pop this off too. I have actually two of them. So far, this is our harvest. We have these cucumbers that look like melons, so we'll see. And 3 okra. And a lot of potato plants coming up, so we'll get those soon. This is the garden so far. Chike, didn't they say you're supposed to start?
Yeah.
Go over there then. They're waiting for you.
6.
So
Daddy said
Daddy's taking you? Is Daddy taking you or what?
no, he's still making the food. What time is it?
Okay guys, this has been our first harvest. So we have literally from seed, we have some okra. I didn't plant a lot because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but I definitely will plant more next time because this is an okra loving house. And then we have these cucumbers, but they look like huge melons. So I'm very confused. So what we're going to do is open it and see what happens. So this is the cucumber. Guys, I thought this was a cucumber. This is a cantaloupe. I planted a complete cantaloupe and I thought it was a freaking cucumber. I planted cantaloupes. I didn't even know I picked it too early because these are now baby cantaloupes. I did not even remember planting these. I was like, these don't look like cucumbers to me. No wonder they're freaking I didn't even, like, honestly, I didn't even think that this was a cantaloupe because I don't remember planting cantaloupes. But it makes sense because we like cantaloupes in this house. What the heck? I am so confused. So that means that this is a baby cantaloupe and I just plucked it. Oh my gosh. So that's awesome though. I planted cantaloupe, so I'm definitely gonna take these seeds out and replant them literally right now because I need to go water the garden as we speak because it's dry. But it's during the daytime, and during the daytime you really shouldn't put too much water on there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these beautiful seeds out and I'm gonna just go ahead and replant them right in the soil so that we can try to produce some more. See, this is why I have to find a better like labeling system for my garden, because when I tell you I did not know what the heck this was, I did not know what it was. But it's a super cute baby cantaloupe. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Look. Look. It's so cute though. So now I know if I see any more come up that I don't need to pick it until it gets bigger. Because it's a baby cantaloupe. It's not a cucumber. So these definitely work you know, premature. But it's all a blessing. And now on this one, I almost don't want to cut it, but I know if I don't cut it soon, well, I guess we could keep it, but it won't get any bigger than this. But yeah, so we got baby cantaloupes, little baby cantaloupes, and then okra. So I'm just gonna snap one of the okras because I want to see what it looks like. So this is obviously okra. I'm gonna snap it. So you definitely want to hear that snap. Apparently that snap lets you know that it's fresh, so you want to pick them to where they don't get too big. So like this one is kind of big. Some people would say that this could be a little bit like fibrous. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So this seed, I'm actually going to go ahead and put these back in the ground so they can grow again. And so far so good, guys. I also got some, I had to cut them and I haven't been videoing them, but I got some green onions up and we're waiting on the rest to grow. So I'll check in with you guys next time. Bye bye.